Understanding the phrase, out of harm's way, English language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English learning video. Today, we're diving into an interesting and commonly used English phrase, out of harm's way. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Out of harm's way might sound a bit complex, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's break it down. Harm refers to damage or injury. Way, in this context, means the path or reach of something. Out of suggests being removed from a specific area or situation. So, putting it all together, out of harm's way means to be in a safe place, away from any danger or potential injury. Understanding through examples is always helpful. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. During a storm, they moved all the garden furniture indoors to keep it out of harm's way. 2. In a conflict zone, the soldiers ensured that civilians were moved out of harm's way. 3. With children, make sure to keep the cleaning supplies out of harm's way so the kids can't reach them. In each of these scenarios, the phrase is used to indicate moving someone or something to a safer location. It's always good to know synonyms or similar phrases. Here are a few. In a safe place, beyond the reach of danger, secure, protected. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Now that you understand the phrase, try incorporating it into your conversations. For instance, I keep my passport out of harm's way when traveling. During the renovation, we kept the pets out of harm's way. Remember, practice is key in language learning. We hope this video helps you understand and use out of harm's way confidently in your English conversations. Stay curious, keep learning, and you'll be mastering English idioms and phrases in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.